Yeah. Look, 5 a.m. the screen got a blue tint. Mapping the levels, I'm reading the blueprint. They're all hoping I'm seeing the movement. This ain't a gamble, this is improvement. I'm way past the hope it works. I'm in the zone where the focus works. They over leverage and go berserk. I see the pep pad, I know the perks. No emotion, I'm disconnected. The thesis is sound, the trade is selected. They checking the news, I'm checking perspective. Every entry I make is perfected. Click the mouse, I don't even doubt. Watch the red candle break down. They're taking nails, I'm taking a new route. I see the setup, I'm ready to clear out. Just print it. Print it. Account number looking like a phone digit. Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm in it to win it. I look at the chart and I tell it to print it, print it, print it. Okay, print it, okay. Every tick I touch goes vivid, goes vivid. They think I got a machine, I live it. I don't even check the account. Just print it, just print it. This ain't luck, this is repetition. This is chart time, this is ambition. This is calculated, pure conviction. Yeah, I already know the position, I'm the bad. Yeah, the one they dreaded. See that rally, I'm about to be headed. They all panic buying, misguided. I'm short in the top, cause I know where the smart money slid it. It's surgical, it's systematic. They're chaotic. I'm automatic, P&L looking cinematic. They blowing the counts. It's symptomatic, yeah, I'm modest, but it's upside down. Everything I touch is a profit found. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. It's a different mindset, I'm in a different lane. Just print it. Print it. Account number looking like a phone digit. Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm in it to win it. I look at the chart and I tell it to print it, print it, print it, print it. Okay, print it, okay. Every tick I touch goes vivid, goes vivid. They think I got a machine, I live it. I don't even check the account. Just print it, just print it. They staring at the lines, they're frozen them execution. Focused, they're hoping. I've chosen the market's an ocean. I'm coasting, it's a different kind of quiet. When you know the play before you short it. They see a ride, I see it died. I see what I want. I don't have to try it, I just print it. Print it, print it, print it, print it. Account number looking like a phone digit. Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm in it to win it. I look at the chart and I tell it to print it, print it, print it, print it. Okay, print it, okay. Every tick I touch goes vivid, goes vivid. They think I got a machine, I live it. I don't even check the account. Just print it, just print it, just print it. Yeah, just print it, just print it. Tell them again. Print it, print it, print it.
Was all there, all I had to do.
Yeah, the screen turned green, I had to bag, swore I'd cash it out, wouldn't do it bad. But the devil on my shoulder said one more. Now I'm watching profits walk right out the door. And all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away. Now I'm bleeding red on a broken day. All I had to do, sunlight coming through the blinds. Yeah, got a different mission on my mind. Flip the screen on, coffee in my hand. Swear to God I'm gonna stick to the plan. First trade hits, it's a perfect play. Watching numbers climb, it's a brand new day. I hit my goal, I'm up, I'm good at that. Feeling in my blood like I knew I would. But I'm still sitting in this chair. Stared at the private, just kept it there. My hands on the mouse, but my brain's in the clouds. It's way too quiet, I need the crowds. Need a high, I need a rush. The voice of reason telling me to hush. I was a king, I had a crown. Didn't know I was about to screen turn green. I had them back, swore I'd cash it out. Wouldn't do it bad, but the right out the door, and all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away. Now I'm bleeding red on a broken day. All I had to do was wait. Second trade, I'm feeling bold. It's a story that's been told. A little dip is fine, it'll bounce right back. Then I see the whole damn chart start to crack. Panic setting in, my hands they shake. Just one more trade, for heaven's sake. I'll make it back, I'll get it right. Now I'm just chasing in the broad daylight. From green to gray, from gray to red. All of the voices in my head, they're getting louder, screaming at me. Trapped in this cell that I just let me be. Gave it all back and then I gave some more. Numb to the bone, staring at the floor. The high is gone, replaced with pain. Stuck in the middle of a screen, turn green. I had them back, so I cash it out. Wouldn't do it back. The devil on my shoulder, said one more. Now I'm watching profits walk right out the door. And all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away. Now I'm bleeding red on a broken day. All I had to do was this ain't about the money, not really. It's the feeling that I'm my own enemy. It's a sickness, man, it's a damn disease. Brings a strong man right down to his knees. I had it all in the palm of my hand. A castle built on unstable sand, and I watch the waves just wash it out. Let me with the fear, let me with the doubt. Let me with the doubt. Yeah. Knew the screen was green, I had it back. Should've cashed it out, why'd I do it back? The devil on my shoulder, he said one more. Now I'm watching everything I had walk out the door. And all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away.
Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, gotta check the chart, boy. Watching all these small caps, watching all these chart, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. I be selling quick, yeah. Stunning on these holder, boy. RSK, got a many wrist, man. Trade another day, man. Trade another day, yeah. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Used to take the big hit, now I keep it tiny, boy. Read about the blow-ups, that's a different trader, boy. Discipline is all I got, I never trust a FOMO, boy. Used to bag whole stocks, now I'm just a scaler, boy. Yeah, the float is low, G, watching for the spike, man. Keep the stop loss ready, all my levels set, ain't no second guess, yeah. You ain't talking risk, yeah. You ain't in the session, yeah. Get a mess, yeah. Cuts on cuts, yeah. Gotta keep it tight, Front of red, now I'm in the light. They were holding back, now they see the height, yeah. All I see is charts, all day, all night, yeah. All day, all night. All about that P&L cuts, paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts. Boy, just imagine the risk. Saving all the paper, boy. Boy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, right, traders. Good morning, green team. Howdy do, guys. About a week out from Thanksgiving, traders. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one. We're gonna eat good. Let's have a good finish this week strong. We got a few tickers to go over this morning. Yesterday up being a decent day, and I want to go over some of these plays like LFS hangover and how we can benefit from those moving forward. Reverb. All right, try that out. The old call the technical department and they unplug and plug it back in. See that thing. There's a few settings I can adjust. Oh, you're right. Right. Yeah. Yep. All right, there we go. Should be on the Yeti now. All right. So traders, yesterday, guys, was fairly wild at the open on KZIA. She's calmed down though a little bit, and so it almost feels a little backside now. KZIA. It's one I monitor into Bell, and look at this sexy chart on CYPH. I had to bring this thing up. I've just been flipping through some of these plays from last week. Now, this has been on a steady trend, but CYPH, remember, Cypherpunk was the LPTX, and it was up on pretty much nothing. I mean, it was like the Treasury coin strategy thing. They coming out with that old PR. They're recirculating it. Let's get something new out here, guys. Let's get some new PRs out here. Recirculating the same kind of stuff. Mr. George, PACS. Yes, saw PACS this morning. Good old PAX. Man, this thing was at $10 a couple days ago, up towards 28 now. So let's take a look at PACS as well. They're trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q3. Their own earnings. Analyst upgrade up towards 33. Up a decent chunk. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we did see some profit taking here out of the gates this morning. Now, SGBX, I want to bring our attention to just for a moment. This play, I noticed even yesterday, going into the stream yesterday, I said, I wasn't gonna keep trying to hit this one because I noticed when it cracked on Tuesday, a major support line, and then it popped back up over it and just curled back around. I'm like, this is kind of sketch. Something's going on here. And then yesterday, same kind of thing. Well, come to find out, looking at FinViz, SGBX has a 340% short interest, 314 short float. So that's a fairly major amount of shorts on this. And now we did a little investigating, and Tuna actually got the current rate now 431. Are you speaking in dollars, sir? What's the per share rate? SGBX. Now, this is where we certainly have edge with Trade the Pool, right? Is that okay? This is nobody. Essentially, the shorts are trapped in this at this point. That's why every pullback was just getting bought up. And I saw you see that on the price action, and why I cannot flip biases and just go long. I don't know. That's my struggle. Like I can't long something up from $1 to $7 in a couple of days, but that's something certainly need to work on. But this thing, dollar bills, wow, $431 per share. Dollar, not just dollar bills, dollar bills. 10 days to cover on those shares. Yikes. SGBX. Now, again, it's like that's where we have a ton of edge at Trade the Pool. It's like, man, when these things are $400 per share, hey, free locates. Get your free locates. Yeah, so SGBX, very interesting with the locates too. over at Trade the Pool. So, this is just going to squeeze out shorts. Everyone buying this thing up right now, clearly longs and then shorts covering their positions. And once we get that liquidity move, boy, oh boy, is there going to be opportunity here. But of course, that comes to a few different things like timing it correctly, sizing it appropriately. Yeah. Yeah, this is this is I'm salivating over here, guys. Man, it's so much fun because when GME GameStop, I did short that at Interactive Brokers back in the day when that was at like $300 over at Interactive Brokers. I remember shorting that thing, and it wasn't that expensive. It wasn't that expensive. That was like I think that was one of my bigger trades per, like, not dollar wise, but per share. Like I only had like 15 shares or so, but I wrote it over 100 points down. GME. So yeah, it was very cheap for those shares. What was it? I think I only paid like, it wasn't much at all. It wasn't much at the time, but then they got expensive thereafter. But SGBX 400. $31. Good lordy. All right. So SGBX, I will be monitoring this one very carefully, as you guys are aware, because there's certainly going to be opportunity here. The problem is not in not seeing the opportunity, it's in timing. Timing is very key. Isn't that what Mr. McGregor said? He says timing and precision, mate. Timing and precision. So it's like we know there's opportunity here, but you got to time it well and you got to execute when the moment strikes. When the moment strikes. It sounds like a Viagra commercial. All right, AUID. Yeah, that one's been heavy and fading off of a little pop this morning. They joined NVIDIA Connect to advance enterprise and AI agent security, innovation, and opportunities. So a lot of AI news has been coming out lately. AUID been fairly heavy. A lot of like good volume here in pre-market on it. AUID, but yeah, I'm looking for some of these. Looking for some backside plays going into today, of course. I got MAGN, $8 up towards 11, kind of heavy against like the 12 even. MAGN, 34 million in float and only 2 million shares traded. So that's good, right? That's what we want to see. Again, this is something you guys want to pay attention to is float versus volume, because we'll see these explosive moves when the volume has rotated that float entirely. So those either become avoids or longs or small positions, but this is what you want to see, MAGN. You want to see a little bit higher float. Granted, Olma was a 40 million in float ticker, OLMA, but that thing had traded well over its float. So MAGN, this is what you want to see more for a backside. Now I'm tempting myself to jump in here. I'm gonna wait for Bell though to get involved with anything. But MAGN, yeah, only 2 million shares traded so far out of 34 million in the float. Guys, WSHP. I want to say worship, but it's We Shop. We Shop. Look at the 40 to 250 yesterday on like no volume. On no volume. So, and Mr. Fades brought that to my attention, and he's back from breakfast. What's going on, Mr. Fades?
Morning, guys. What's going on?
How was breakfast this morning?
Yeah, it was good. I was telling my parents, I'm like, I got important things to do. I can't, I want to be with the family, but I gotta be here. Gotta be ready at my desk. Ready to
Exactly.
strike.
And they respect it, right? They respect it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure.
All right.
So let me get my
Yeah,
ducks in a row here. I took one trade this morning, MNDR. That was a nice short there. What about you?
No, I haven't taken anything so far this morning, but
yeah, I'm watching SGBX. That's definitely going to be like the man. What a move! Just strong as all get out, just pumping. That's crazy. So definitely gonna be watching that one into the bell.
Yeah, SGBX, dude. Did you hear earlier when we were on stream? It Okay, so 314% short interest, and
Yeah,
it cost the Interactive Brokers for 1 share. Just guess. 1 share.
$1.50.
No, this ain't
Oh,
The Price is Right dollar, but this is $431 a share.
what? See, that's what their data has to be cooked because like something's not right. Like that stuff, that AI thing I sent you yesterday. Like I don't even understand it. Someone on the board said they're diluting, so I guess that's what's going on. Like they're
It's
diluting,
just
so the
straight up
shares
right
aren't.
now.
It's not quite as bad. Like
Well, yeah,
that's
that was based
crazy.
off of October 31st, I believe, on Finviz. But yeah, that explains it. Well, I mean, we called the price action perfectly on this. It's like you knew there were people trying to get out of it. Like you could tell
Mhm.
every pullback was just getting, shorts were like, okay, thank God I have a better exit here. You could tell it was getting bought up on pretty much any pullback.
Yeah.
So it's dude, the power of our shorts over here. I'm going to be watching it very closely out of the gates. But yeah, the timing's important there. But yeah, so
Oh, yeah.
good trade on MNDR. I mean, where'd you catch that at? 637
Let me see. I shorted that thing around. Let me pull up the chart.
on the sloppy pop up in the fours.
I think I got involved around 3. I started shortening it at like 3.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah,
Yeah, it was
she
a
was
little
heavy
choppy
there.
at first, but I covered. But yeah, she still looks heavy, but at this time frame, eh,
Yeah. So
could
I want to go over a few more from this past week. For instance, the CYPH is still in play again. Like I know Doug just mentioned, he just got an account just for shorting to
short.
really sharpen the skills there. That's amazing. I love hearing that. So
Nice.
CYPH, what do you think here? This has been on an uptrend the last week, up from 40 cents when she was LPTX, now CYPH, and still
Yeah,
just going sideways, man.
that thing is a damn. It's just punking everyone. It's a
Yeah,
punk.
cypherpunk
Yeah.
everyone.
I don't know. It's been grinding for so many days now that I'm just
Yeah.
it's kind of off my radar a little bit because it's just held strong in that trend. But at the same token, it's like set it and forget it short at this level could pay off very fruitful.
Against, like, I mean, it's in an uptrend, 350 breaks above that, it's probably going on a run, but outside of that, it could do a sleepy fade. But again, like sleepy fades, like LFS guys yesterday, it was a hangover. I mentioned that yesterday. It took a short position, and these things, when they have no volume after the previous day getting pumped up, oftentimes you'll see this. And was
Yeah,
sitting
that was
here
great.
involved with it, and it just dumped like a whole point. So make sure you're just stabbing a little bit. That's what I went over yesterday. Just throw a little, a few shares on there for something like
Mhm.
this to happen because we pretty much rubbed the crystal ball and spoke that into existence. I like KZIA kind of today. I mean, it cracked under a lot of those levels that it should have a lot of long stuck in that consolidation zone from 8 to 850. So it might be
Mhm.
heavy against all that. What do you think on KZIA?
Yeah, let me take a look at that.
It's kind of hanging under previous clows, some
Yeah,
key
that did a
levels.
hell of a sweep. It finally did it sweep. It pumped
Mhm.
to 8 or the 770 or the 780 sweep, and then it was
Yeah.
heavy from there. Yeah, that thing should probably just continue to be heavy as well. Um, let's see. It's got some meat, but I just the risk reward at this point with the chart to me is not like screaming at
And you
me.
don't think it's up enough.
Yeah, that's kind of how I feel. Like I'd rather focus elsewhere. Let me take a look here. I just got my stuff set up. But I mean, it could be a nice trend to continue to fade though. I mean, don't get me twisted. So
All right.
continuing to see this cheap penny theme. Like those are what the top gainers have been, like under a
Yeah.
dollar almost
Yeah.
always. But SGBX is it feels like the cult is kind of congregating there. I mean, obviously, and then testing new highs. So That one's definitely gonna be Wild Wiki West today. SGBX. And it came from like
I
2, 3
know.
bucks, so it's like we have to focus on it because you know it's the
And
nature.
having our free shorts. I mean, how do we not?
Hmm. Let me see
I get to
here.
say it's like the save money principle, right? It's like I get to save money save money, live
Yeah,
better Walmart, even though you're spending money, right? It's like, man, I just saved $1,000. Well, how much did you spend?
yeah. I
I
mean,
spent, well, I spent 3,000, but I saved 1,000. So I might, so I
it's
might
like
use.
going on the cruise. It's like they go on the cruise ships and they're like gamble so much and they give you like a free cruise. It's like, well,
Yeah,
hell.
yeah, exactly. Just won myself a free cruise. At least you get something out of it.
Yeah,
So SGBX, if the short doesn't work, she's got to give us something. That's essentially what you're saying, right? Give us a free something.
something's gonna have to happen there.
Oh,
Just
dude,
keep it. I'm just looking. Even the
yes,
5 day.
SGBX about to be nutso at the
Trying to
open.
snipe out some backside plays here and see, but
Pack S is interesting. PACS is up from 10 to 26 on earnings though.
hmm
What's going on the crow trades? Good to see you in here. Olma, could be a little backside too. I mean, Olma, it kind of had its pop yesterday up towards 23, rejected off of that, back down towards this kind of level it's been basing out at. So let's just see what she's going to do at this level.
hmm
Good old
this
Olma.
UBX is getting crazy, man. That thing's gonna be wild. Cause like the Warriors need to go somewhere, right?
And there's nothing else really going on for them. Yeah. So she's going to get a little wild at the open.
That's definitely a popcorn play there. It's small size, guys. If you're gonna play it at open, as we talk about, it's very small size.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I mean, let me see. Yeah, PAX. That thing had a pump. What was it? After hours, it pumped a bit.
Here's MTC's chart. I mean, it's struggling to get back over the 20s now.
Yeah,
225.
some of the forgotten ones are still. Yeah,
Yeah,
sometimes
some of
you have
these
to go to, like the 1 month chart to find some of the 1 month gainers.
I know. I love
Um,
zooming out like this though, because it really
CM,
gives you
yeah,
that.
CMBM is another one that we were watching. It's kind of been hanging around, but that thing made a move. Turn, you were talking about that one. How's that look? So yeah, still just holding up.
Yeah, turn. I mean, I think I cut that one. It's up a lot though.
Yeah, it's like that cyberpunk. It just keeps grinding up with not any short side fruit.
Yeah, up from 8 to 28 and like stair steppy. I mean, it's stair stepped way off. It's like when you take 2 or 3, steps up, you starting to get a little extended up here
I
on
think
turn.
I think GLTO is still key to focus on. And actually, let me take a look at Wolf real quick because Wolf had a
Yeah,
red.
GLTO cracked its ascending triangle, and
It was
it's got a lot of room on down. Problem is, it's just real like a liquid, guys. So it's
mm-hmm.
challenging. That's we called it on this day from
The
27. It
spread
sold to
and the
22.
volume.
That was a
Yeah,
perfect day when it cracked, but its spread and volume can be
yeah,
challenging
between
if
the
it
spread
sells
and the volume
appropriately.
for sure. Yeah.
All right. Good work,
Oh,
guys. We're working PAX, SGBX early this morning. Yeah, early bird gets the worm. Uncle Cash,
has
good
it been
morning. Good to see
trading?
you in here. No, I think they're in long on a couple of these, like Pack S with the earnings
Okay,
and then
nice.
SGBX. I think Pack
Yeah,
S could profit take though. This one I don't. I could see it profit taking us up a decent chunk.
what's the just like trending off earnings or
Earnings,
something?
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. I know a little sketch earnings, but
Nvidia had a good earnings yesterday.
And she's got a gap fill of 30.
Yeah, feel that
Gap
gap.
fill. Yeah, got
Feel that
I know,
gap.
I love it. I
Feel
love it
that
when people
gap.
say that. It's like it has to happen. We have a 30
Oh,
gap
yeah, it
fill.
will. It will. No, simply can't. The gap must fill.
Although it pretty much nearly did fill it. 28.90. 30 was the gap.
Yeah, I feel like overall it's just been slower, so naturally the backside list has been a little slower and less.
Yeah. KZIA and Ulma decent backside, but
Yeah, Oma is the other one because that had a little pop, but then it kind of gave it back, right? Let me see.
yeah, 23 yesterday and then back down to
Kind of
20,
curling
which
a little bit though. It's like at a key
yeah.
level, it's at breaks, but it's like you don't want to get in front of it. Yeah, that's why it's like more screens, more green philosophy. It's like keep all these backside plays on a screen and just monitor them, you know? Or even like the king of the day, instead of getting in front side king of the day, wait for a death candle, wait for some confirmation, and kind of zoom in a little bit and see what's going on.
Yeah.
But just don't get front side and stay there. Like no matter what, you just cannot do that.
Oh Lord, no. If you need more green, get more screens. It's like SGBX, don't dump right now. Come on. It's coming back down to a trend it's on. So
Yeah, that thing's gonna. It looks like the volume's picking up there. Definitely here at 9. It's sweeped up at a key level, so can expect a lot to be going on there today. Besides that, take a look at my scanner again.
good morning, Gator.
Pax is the king, is the expensive king of the day. And then Mender has just been slowly winding out the longs. Good fade there, anyone that caught it.
Yeah, real good.
Imagine that's like a little bit more expensive, trying to be something up 40%.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty sleepy besides that. Some 20%ers, just definitely slower again. I mean, everyone and their brother's uncle might just pile the SGBX. It depends, you know, like how is
It's
this
the
volume?
king, man. You know what happens to us with these kings.
Yeah, so just be careful, guys. Like that's the thing. It's like I really don't even want to trade it. Like knowing how wonky that short information is and stuff. Like
Yeah, Gator, if you missed it earlier, it's 314% short interest, and it's like, well, how much? So you're at CMAG. What's the cost per share SGBX at CMAG? Interactive Brokers is like 400 a share. Curious what CMAG is on SGBX.
how much volume does SGBX have?
Oh, it's gonna be king of the day today. There's
That's
nothing
not
else
even
really
showing
going
up.
on. D Pro spiking, drone, couple drone tickers I think I've seen this morning. Secured a strategically significant international military order for three for some drones. So
Which
it
what
says
ticker?
3XL drones. They received a military order, so I don't know if that's 3 extra large drones or what 3XL means.
Okay.
Military order for 3 extra large drones.
Yeah, right. That's how they cook those PRs, man. They cook them things up good. Algos buy it up.
Weeble 400%. Oh my god. Yeah, so dude, SGBX.
SGBX snapped off that VWAP. Snapped up off VWAP. Before VWAP was strong. I have a trend line drawn out for SGBX, and it's just textbook off that. It faded this morning right to it, and the trend totally reversed. Like SGBX formed like the black swan pattern yesterday. Like as that continued move went higher, and shorts just got annihilated. Like that was
Yeah,
seeing a
I
lot of
remember.
action there. So we can expect probably a bear bull battle here at Open. So let's see what's going to happen here. It'll be fun one to watch. Just careful with the guys.
Gator, yeah, I
Like
remember
that.
he shorted SGBX, took a little play on it yesterday on the Euphoria, and it only cost 20 cents. But yeah, he's Driving through New Mexico right now, so just hanging out. Not going to trade for a little while. You got to pull over, Gator. You got to pull over, take advantage of that
Yeah,
volatility.
tune into your radio, tune into your stock market radio broadcast.
Yeah, exactly.
Brought to you by Kevin and Fades.
The Crow, Blue Skies on Coco.
Popo?
Popo. The Popo's coming for you.
I'm scared to trade that
Coco.
one.
MVTS, yeah, I mean that looks good too, where it's been selling off. Crow looks good for maybe a little RSI's down there, maybe a little recovery bounce, especially in that
What
sector.
about that? What about that We Shop yesterday? Good Lord.
Yeah, We Shop 40 to
What
250
MM rigged that thing up?
on like no shares traded. That was wild.
Total rig job, dude.
D-Pro is still holding its highs off of the drone news. PACS maybe is already starting that profit taking. I'd like a pop on it. PACS to get involved there. Yeah, a couple minutes, guys, till the opening bell. So FRGT, by the way, that's getting a little bounce right now off of 92. That was our little penny play up from 70 to $1.37 yesterday. So $1,
Yeah.
she's kind of waking up a little bit. 102. I mean, any pop up towards even like 110, 15 probably is met with some resistance.
Mm-hmm.
Olma feels like she's trying to curl back around a little bit too, holding the previous close 1940. So on the long side, that's a key level for you, 1943 previous close. On the short side, we want to see what it's going to do against like the 20, really this 22, 23.
Yeah, as far as volume goes, like MNDR has already had all its playtime. It feels like they could spike MNDR back up, but a sloppy pop could maybe see that.
And then MAGN still, I mean, this one's on the earnings. I feel like it might get a pop and then just kind of a fade.
How's the
MAGN.
float there?
It's 35 million and it's 2 million volume. So it's like, I mean, if it doesn't get much more volume, likely it's just going to profit take.
Yeah.
MAGN. Yeah, you got to, that's what I was going over earlier. We got to pay attention to the volume versus float, because like Olma was 40 million, remember? But in the float, but it had like hundreds and hundreds of millions of shares traded, so that's a telltale sign. SGBX, guys, 30 seconds. I'm just going to monitor this out of the gates. And then we're going to go from there and take a look at some backside plays.
Yeah.
And packs too, like watching packs. See what that one's going to do.
Be watching Wolf too. An interesting level to maybe short.
3, 2, 1. Let's get the party started, traders. Market's now open. Seeing what we're going to do, SGBX coming back down to this like 650 trend line.
Yeah, trying to figure out what it wants to do.
Yeah.
We printing, we dumping, guys.
Good Lord, there's high volatility here at the open.
Yeah, it sure is. Dumping, guys.
So on that trend, pretty heavy, 680s. See what she's going to do. 670s.
Freaking wild Wiki West here, dude. Good God.
Yeah. PACS, is that one fading a little bit?
Got my coffee brewing. Got a plan inside my head. Picture of a dream.
Yeah, PACS popping up just a little bit. So much of that against the highs. The gap fill there was 30. She's on earnings. D Pro with news still holding up. MAGN just put in its like liquidity move. Oh my God, 1250. Yeah. MAGN put in its liquid. We called for that pop and drop. So now she might start staying heavy. SGBX still hasn't quite figured out what she wants to do. I know, Crow. I don't want to work hard today. What are we going to do here?
It's like it's pumping a little bit.
Yeah. Bounced through like kind of right off of that 650 trend line. And higher she goes right now. Holy moly, she's going 740s.
Jesus.
She's a mean one. Mrs. Grinch. 750 just hit. I'm going to stab at it against 750, I think. It's definitely a scary one, though. So just. Seeing what she's going to do against 750.
Saddled up my capital.
Staying heavy. I don't want to work hard today, just like Crow. Come on, stay heavy. It had that pop and you know, that big upper wick, so monitoring that real carefully. 790 tops for shorts. Man, giving it a chance here, but she's still holding up. Come on, SGBX. Crack under 7.
Yeah, it's choppy.
Chop, chop. Dang. That's a tough one to trade. It's a tough one to trade.
In this godforsaken land.
Pack's looking haltish. Let's take a look. PCS. She's pretty good there. Popped up. I still like that one for profit taking.
Say the trend is your friend.
SGBX, they're working that higher. AUID is heavy against the 220 VWAP level right now. MAGN, I think this is a decent short against the highs. MAGN, maybe a sloppy seconds pop back up there. So it opened at 11, shot to 1250. Yeah, MAGN. Let me.
Scanner.
I'm thinking about MAGN against the highs I just put in. But it's a little spready here.
SGBX, Wiki Wonky.
All right, I just got involved with MAGN. I'm going to set the stop over 12, like 1222 or so. If it'll let me.
Straight down my
Yeah, 1222 stop MAGN. Work that against the high near the highs there. SGBX still just chopping around right here. It's going to be a market maker's liquidity dream.
Seeing some sellers right now. Ooh, dumping a little bit, but yeah, it's choppy.
I'm going to get involved a little bit on it. A little bit.
Yeah, I took a small stab at it. And 720 again. My stop's 7576. Smaller size, giving it that playroom, right? Giving it that wiggle room to wick out and sweep all the Joes and Jills.
Joes and Jills.
Shadow fell into long line. Ghost in the machine.
Emmanuel, it's going to be a separate login. It's going to be a completely separate login.
That WSHP play is so interesting. Like, it was just sitting around 30, 40 bucks, and now it's randomly at 150. Like, is that going to hold up? That's definitely one to just keep an eye on, guys. There goes SGBX. Boom. Stopped out. Oh. Who saw that one coming?
Whoa. 790s. Yeah. Halting up. Probably about to halt up.
Man. I wonder where it's going to go, dude.
Yeah, the 314%
I was in
short.
real small, so.
Yeah, same.
GLTO. I think sleeping out. I think might give a little bit today.
KZIA is kind of the bleeder right now too.
Is it?
That one? Yeah.
Yeah, it's down a couple percent. Sleepy. Yeah. What if that WSH play? What's they gonna do? Are they gonna dump that thing more today?
Like it's the next GameStop. I know it's everyone's on it. Like it's the next BYND, the next
The next XO.
GameStop. Yeah. All right. Let's Pac S doing? Pac S is still kind of holding, stair stepping up from the 16 to 27. Right now, I'm just with MAGN, seeing if we're going to stay heavy against the pop it put in. Oh, there we go. Still sell off right there.
What, Keziah?
No, I think MAGN's printing.
Oh, okay, MAGN, yeah, that one was kind of getting a little interesting, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yep, monitoring that against 12.
Let's see, MAGN.
Crow.
Yeah.
Smoking a little bit, helping you out during that halt. I mean, you might open up at like, shoot, 850, dude. What's the opening you guys got on it?
Print. Just printing.
All right. Yeah, MAGN a little bit lower, just kicking back, still there.
You're short.
Yeah. Without the volume coming in on this play, I figured we might drop a take on it. MNDR trying to do a little red to green move. D Pro hanging out. AUID kind of cracking a little trend to spin on.
What's MAGN running on?
Q4.
Okay.
Oh yeah, MNDR just had a pop. MNDR with the red to green move there.
Starting to print?
I think so. MNDR selling off after that a little bit. 270s down into the mid 250s.
SCBX resumption.
Okay.
MAGN's getting big blocks going through. Uh-oh, a little pumpy.
The pumpy wumpy.
I mean, nothing too concerning yet, but we'll see. I do like the volume profile. See 3 red candles in a row on that sell-off. It's pretty significant. So let's see. There we go. Let's go. Washed it. They washed her. MAGN, guys. Well, this thing's getting real wicky. What the hell? The tape and the spread are weird right now on MAGN. Careful, they might be making a move one way or the other. It's getting ready and kind of might be trying to do a sweep or something.
Yeah, MAGN with the earnings, we could see it try to find its feet, but
the spread's weird.
Yeah, very funky spread. SGBX, Wild Wicked West. SGBX, little sell off 820. 820 could be a key level there. I think I might give her one more shot against 820. Let me see. SGBX really testing out some key levels right here. $270. I'd like to see it crack under. All right, 270. Cracking under 270. Let's stay heavy under there. Nope. Popping right back up. Still the wild, wild west over there.
MMDR.
SGBX. MAGN's not far from it, though.
Yeah, MAGN's doing weird stuff, like the spreads and kind of trappy action.
Yeah, and the bids are stacking there a little bit. I may take MAGN off for now.
Yeah, it's pumpy.
SGBX for the next leg on up.
Wow, SGBX. Unreal. Oh, there's a big red candle, guys. SGBX halted on.
The 820 is definitely important there. See what she's going to do against that 820. $820. Oh, a little bit of a sell-off. See if she's going to hold this sell-off. Getting a little heavy here, SGBX. Off of 820. A little heavy here. Really need to see it actually profit take, though, not just this little thing. So you actually get some panic profit taken on it.
Yeah, I did like that candle, that first red candle put in. So
God dang it, dude. This thing just keeps popping right back up. It's like Scalp City on it, pretty much.
yeah.
CMEG's only won a penny per share. Holy cow, dude. That's really good compared to Webull and IKBR.
Maybe the dilution report came out, and that's what's going on. Because that would be a catalyst for the bears for sure. You know what I'm saying?
Man, I keep trying to hold this for bigger picture. I might need to start scalping it. Yeah, I'm gonna start scalping it, I think. So I got to recover some on the day. Yeah, the 820's holding up real well. It's just Chop City. It's turned into a bit of Chop City. What else are you guys looking at? SGBX at 740s. Dang. Everyone and their mama's watching SGBX right now. So it's probably not going to be like the cleanest thing, you know. It's going to be
No. Nope.
orders flying in and out of this thing. Smoke Tuna, did you say 740? Oh man, next leg on up. Is she about to get it? Climbing straight back up towards 8. Sloppy seconds, maybe.
Yeah, it needs to bounce here. The bulls are going to capitulate.
Maybe a sloppy seconds bounce right there. Could try it again against 820. I'm gonna give it a little love tap against the 820s, right, or against 8. See if that was a sloppy seconds bounce. MG in the building. Good morning. Good morning. What you worked this morning, MG? Yeah, I'll put the 8 stop on that, then just kind of kick back. I'll look at a few other tickers. RZLV, AI play going up. MAGN, nice. Top tick that. I took it off early. The
I
thing's
know,
down a
dude.
point.
I don't want to talk about that thing, bro.
Oh my god, idiot. I'm such an idiot.
I
FRGT's been heavy.
know.
LFS with a little pump. Cannot believe I did that.
SGBX, man. They need to, Bulls need something quick. It could come down to its trend line. Its trend line is all the way at 6-7. So I mean, we could even see a pullback there, pullback a point, and still come strength. Let's see what it wants to do.
Another little sloppy pop. Good work, MG, on the Magic 820 level. Just trying to gear back up a little bit. Still on that sloppy level, bounced right off VWAP. $790 key level. Tuna's suggesting 790 right there.
Yeah, it's at a key point here. Sure. God. Imagine. Why did I stop out early, dude? The volume looks good. Oh my
I did
god.
too.
That's
Literally.
freaking painful, dude.
Yeah, I took it right at the top 12. Took it literally right at the top 12. SGBX, here we go. Next run, huh?
Oh man. Yep. Sounds about right. Take Imagine off early and then SGBX goes parabolic.
This has not been. Oh man, king of the day action.
Yep.
Traders, any other tickers you want us to look at? About to head over to trade the pool. Olma climbing up a little bit. Stair steppy mode is Olma. LFS is squeezing. That may have halted up LFS. Yeah, halted up LFS.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys. SGBX blacked out for you, Uzo, or it's not for us. No.
Yeah, it does that for a second and then it like catches back up. Yeah, that thing, dude, who knows, man? They might want to take that thing to $15. That's crazy. Wow.
Or not. Oh, what's she gonna do right there? Just got smacked pretty hard. Is that the capitulation move or just a slight pullback SGPX?
Right.
Or just a pullback entry? What's it going to be?
Hmm.
Man, this thing's crazy. Trapping some shorts, Crow. Perhaps. Trapping some more shorts for the next leg on up, huh?
That's basically what they've been doing.
This whole
Rancher
time.
B.
Now that Robinhood, you can short on it.
Yeah. Is that a new thing?
Yeah, I think they just started it.
Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, that's in one hell of a trend, guys. SGBX. Looks like WSHP. Did they halt that thing up? I think it's so weird. Like, there's probably a trade there, but you got to take like 5 shares. Maybe even like 2, 3 shares, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, if you would have took like 10 shares, you probably would have got liquidated yesterday. If you would have took like 5 instead, you probably would have made a lot of money. Like, if you look at the chart and what it did after hours and stuff, it's just, you got to prepare yourself.
All right, man. I'm going to head over to trade the pool, guys.
All right, guys.
Stay safe out there. SGBX. Not so. But all right, traders, we'll be back at it tomorrow. Head over to Trade the Pool if you want their channel. I'm gonna be over there for a couple hours. We've got a call-in show going on at 12 that we're gonna do as well. We'll see you guys over there.